Hello, I'm Mike from musicradiocreative.com. In this video, I'm going to review the Blue Lola headphones. So if you fancy style, if you fancy comfort, then you've come to Blue Lola. Blue Lola is a set of headphones from Blue. They're probably most famous for making the microphones, the condenser mics that podcasters, YouTubers have sitting on their desks, and the beautiful condenser mics like the Bluebird. But the Lola headphones, they are definitely interesting. They come in this big box here, and I'm going to unbox it now. I've snipped all the tape so I can just pull this off and show you inside. So you'll notice as soon as I take the box off, this just looks absolutely beautiful. What a piece of art it is there. But the question is, okay, it looks good, but when I take these headphones out of the box, what are they like to wear? So let's put them on, and wow, my goodness me, I feel like I'm an airline pilot with these headphones on. But I can tell you one thing, they are definitely comfortable and they feel nice. They kind of mold to the shape of my head. And that's because when I take it off and show you, there are so many moving parts to the Blue Lola headphones that no matter what style of head, whether it's circular, oval, square, you're going to find that these Blue headphones just hug your head nicely. But that's not all. You've got the Blue Lola headphones there, but then there is this little lift panel here. So I wonder what's underneath. Let's explore and find out. So lifting up this beautiful panel, the packaging, a lot of thought has gone into the packaging of these headphones, and I really like that. So in here, ooh, everyone likes a goodie bag. Everyone loves a goodie bag, especially a goodie bag with a Blue logo on there. Wow. Okay, what's inside the goodie bag? Let's have a... Yeah, should have guessed. Wires to connect the headphones, fantastic. And then underneath the goodie bag, you just got some manuals, silica gel, of course, to keep the headphones dry in transit, and just some basic Blue cards. But so in here, oh, it looks like we've got a nice variety of connectors, which is always good when you get headphones. The last thing you want to do is be scrabbling through your cupboard trying to find the right connector. But here, you can see they've thought of everything. They've got one rather long wire, which is a 3.5 to 3.5 jack. Then you've got the converter to the 6.5, which is the bigger one for studios and studio monitoring. And then this one that they've packaged, this is cool. I don't know if you can see that if I put it up close. This actually has a volume control on there. It's not going to autofocus because it's so thin, but I will show it to you on the B-roll, as they say, so you can have a look at this beautiful thing. So we've got all these wires and stuff. You put it in, you connect it up, and then you give it a go, basically. Wow, my goodness. Well, that is definitely a comfortable listening experience, and it definitely blocks out any outside noise so I can just focus on the audio. So my comments on the Blue Lola, yes, I like the comfort. For critical listening and editing in a studio environment, such as I do on a regular basis, editing audio, jingles, podcast intros, voiceovers, I'll not be using the Blue Lola headphones. I believe that they just color the sound just a little bit too much for critical listening. But certainly, if you want to relax on the sofa, if you want to lay down in the grass, if you want to have a picnic, if you want to watch loads of YouTube videos, if you want to enjoy music with a little bit of coloration and comfort, of course, Blue Lola is going to be perfect for you. Critical listening and editing, no, but enjoyment of music and podcasts and anything that's audio, really, it's a yes from me. Let me know your thoughts on the Blue Lola headphones in the comments down below, and if you'd like to win them, you need to get involved in the Summer of Sound Awesome Audio Gear giveaway. We're giving away tens of thousands of dollars worth of audio equipment. Just head over to mrc.fm/giveaway. That is mrc.fm/giveaway, and good luck.